Don't you hate when you're home alone and your house suddenly decides it's alive? Because why did I just hear a noise downstairs? Who was that? No, actually, who gave you permission? This house has been silent for hours. No AC, no footsteps, no vibes. Then suddenly it
Sounds like a bleep medieval dungeon being opened.
chains clanking, spirits stretching. Somebody clocked in. Now I'm under my blanket like it's military-grade armor. Like this thin little sheet from Target is gonna save me from whatever demon just opened the fridge and sighed. Why did it sigh? I'm walking around the house gripping a hanger like it's Excalibur, talking about, hello? Hello? Why am I announcing my location like this is hide and seek? Because tell me why. If something actually says yeah, I'm not screaming, I'm not fighting, I'm teleporting. Out the window, no shoes, no socks. I hope the concrete understands my situation. And it's always something stupid making the noise. A fork shifting, the TV remote falling, a piece of plastic moving 1 inch like it's possessed by the devil himself. Nah, nope. The second I hear one more creak, I'm grabbing my phone, my charger, a hoodie, and my emotional support water bottle. I'm leaving the ghost a note like, rent is due on the 1st, utilities are not included, Wi-Fi password is a mystery, figure it out. You wanted this house? Congratulations. It's yours now. Do not ask me for the Wi-Fi, bleep.